I knew that if I wanted to take the traditional route of publication, I wouldn't have, I would just outgrow myself and I wouldn't be able to publish it while I'm still a teen.
Tell me about your book Mind Your Mirror, because I know personally that it's a very beautiful book and it's got a lot of love. So tell me about that book.
Mm, so, Mind Your Mirror is my first book that I independently published. I always wanted to be a teen author, and I knew that if I wanted to take the traditional route of publication, I wouldn't have, I would just outgrow myself and I wouldn't be able to publish it while I'm still a teenager. So, I think Mind Your Mirror is is just my um, it's just a collection of my writing journey, like the, when I start from when I started to when I published my book. Like the poems that I have in my book have, like, some of the poems have been written like just 1 week before I published the book. So it's just been a process throughout. And the reason why I titled my book Mind Your Mirror is because when I shared my work online, it was just beautiful for me to experience how the poem that I wrote in such a different mindset. Like the poem means something completely different to me, but when the reader reads it, he sees it in a completely different light and reflects back with my words totally differently. So I really liked how my words are just a mirror to how your mind reflects when it reads or listens to what I have to say. So hence it was Mind Your Mirror. Like you can read any poem and you can interpret it in any way that you want.
Yes, I know. I remember that because that is something I've learned from you. Because in one of the sessions, you asked us to tell poems, and we saw how everybody had a different perspective because of their own eyes. So, yes, that is something really necessary and important. But now